Students, welcome to my channel Physics Learning. Students, our motto is a class without a classroom. You can study physics at your convenience. To facilitate the students in understanding physics at their convenience. Students, our today's video is about an issue. What is that issue? In science, sometimes we come across a very big or a very small value. For example, mass of Earth is a very big value, and on the other hand, diameter of an atom is a very small value. It is difficult to write such a value repeatedly in a calculation and may be a cause of error. Luckily, there is a solution of this issue. It is scientific notation. Our today's video is about this issue, scientific notation. What is a scientific notation? Students, to express a very big or a very small value, as I told you, like mass of Earth or diameter of an atom, in some powers of 10 is called scientific notation. I repeat it, expressing a very big or a very small value in some powers of 10 is called scientific notation. How a value will be expressed in scientific notation? Yeah, what is the format or syntax of this scientific notation? Say we are giving some number, we will write it in this form. One will be the mantissa m and multiplied with some power of 10, and that power of 10 is called exponent. Here this m is mantissa. If n is any given number, whether it is very small or very large, then in scientific notation it will be written like this: m the mantissa and the exponent is the power of 10. For example, here is a number 3000000. In scientific notation it will be written like this: 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6. On the other hand, we are having very small value, that is 0.0000006. Something unit may be anything. Okay, now how it will be expressed in scientific notation? We will express it in this form: 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6. Now how we will express this small or very large number in scientific notation? What is the procedure? How we will achieve this scientific notation? That is, just by shifting the decimal after first non-zero digit. Students, keep in mind, it is the basic principle of a scientific notation. What is that? Just shift decimal after first non-zero digit in the value. Look at this value. It is the mass of Earth in kilograms. It is a very big value. Now, what we will do to convert it into, to express it into scientific notation? What we will do? Just by shifting decimal after first non-zero digit. Students, look, here is the first non-zero digit, that is 6 in the value. And where is our decimal? Here is our decimal. Decimal is at the end. According to this rule, what we will do? We will shift this decimal after first non-zero digit. Okay. Value in scientific notation will be like this: 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24. How we achieved it? Now again, look at the position of 0. It is at the end. What we will do? We will shift it from this position to this red position, that is after first non-zero digit. Now the number of the number of positions by which the decimal was shifted, calculate them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. So it is 24. Our decimal is shifted 24 positions from its original value to move it after first non-zero digit. So this position are these places by which the decimal was shifted is known as the exponent of the value. So this will be 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24. Now it is in convenient form. Now value of exponent will be positive. 24 is positive. Why? When the decimal is shifted left. On the other hand, what happens? For a very small value, let us consider diameter of an atom. Look at this. It is a very small value. How we will convert it into scientific notation? First, look the position of decimal. From here, we will shift the decimal to this position after first non-zero digit. Non-zero digit is 1. We will shift the decimal from this location to this new position. Okay. In scientific notation, the value will become like this: 1 10 raised to the minus 14. Why? There is a negative sign with the exponent. As you know, we shifted the decimal towards right, and I told you if you shift a decimal towards right to bring it after first non-zero digit, the value of exponent will be negative. Value of exponent will be negative when decimal is shifted to the right. Keep this principle in your mind. Okay, next there is an assignment for you. Express in scientific notation a bond length of hydrogen molecule, that is very small value. What you will do, you know it. And mass of a housefly, that is also a very small value. How you will convert them in scientific notations? Remember, what you will do, you will just shift the decimal after first non-zero digit. Rest is your work. Okay guys, if you like the lesson, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this.